Nexen Tire is the first company to ever manufacture tires in Korea. With its start as Hunga Tire Industry in 1942, Nexen Tire later evolved in the 80s and 90s to become a company possessing world-class technology prowess through technical ties and global tire giants. Since then, Nexen Tire has progressively been making inroads into foreign markets such as the US, China, and Europe, expanding its business horizons as an emerging global company. Over the past 70 years, Nexen Tire has relentlessly pursued challenges and innovations. Based on its superior technology and manufacturing competitiveness, Nexen Tire records the world's highest growth rate every year, setting upon a new history. The competence of Nexen Tire comes from superior manufacturing competitiveness of each of its production bases. Yangsan Factory acts as a control tower with its world-class manufacturing capability. Qingdao Factory has effectively established a bridge to the Chinese market and has secured optimal manufacturing capabilities. Changyang Factory manufactures eco-friendly high-value-added products based on its cutting-edge automation facilities. In pursuit of strategic cooperation and balanced production, these production bases operate Nexen Tire's unique and optimized IT systems, MES and SCM, realizing a higher level of systematic production management and efficient supply. On top of this, the Czech factory will virtually become a mecca of tire production in Europe, acting as a new growth engine for Nexen Tire with 70 years of its own know-how and the world's best facilities. The passion and dream of Nexen Tire to develop the world's best quality tires is being realized through its continuous commitment to research and taking on new challenges. Nexen Tire has established a global R&D network led by its main R&D center in Yangsan, Korea, along with its R&D facilities in the US, China, and Germany, where it develops future-oriented innovative products that will lead the global market through reinforced technical competitiveness. Furthermore, it has established proving grounds including the Nexen Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center as well as a regional evaluation system. Based on this, Nexen Tire is engaged in developing tires with optimal driving performance, responding proactively to various driving conditions and diverse needs through the global market. These products developed based systems have been highly rated by numerous global design awards and renowned magazines, further underscoring their superior performance and quality. Nexen Tire is driving on roads throughout many countries around the world, dutifully serving various customers in each of them. Nexen Tire has established sales branches in over 20 countries around the world and currently operates in over 130 countries. To satisfy both distributors and consumers, Nexen Tire has been building a global customer service network across the world. In particular, by continuously expanding OE supply to global automakers, it is closer than ever to being a familiar brand among global customers. Nexen Tire is continuously expanding its presence in the global market through its endless efforts. Nexen Tire is in constant pursuit of becoming a socially responsible company that enables it to not simply remain as a tire manufacturer, but a company that extends sincere care to all customers and local communities. Always putting customers first, Nexen Tire communicates with its loyal customers through a variety of activities. With various means of sports marketing, such as for professional football games, as well as exhibitions, events, and efforts to showcase its leading customer service, Nexen Tire endeavors to develop deep and lasting connections with customers while delivering satisfaction and joy. Nexen Tire ceaselessly makes efforts to return all the love that it has received from customers back to society at large. As part of these efforts, it conducts a range of donation and support activities in order to contribute to the development of a society possessing an atmosphere and mindset for sharing. Nexen Tire prepares itself to make a bold leap toward a greater future. At Nexen Tire, we are all making efforts to realize our dream together through harmony and shared growth. Labor management harmony, based on strict and transparent management and trust, enables Nexen Tire to attain its goal of ensuring dispute-free, accident-free workplaces while also establishing the foundation for a brighter future at Nexen. For the welfare of Nexen members, who play an integral part in fulfilling such Nexen values, Nexen Tire is creating a culture of a more pleasant, vibrant workplace by, for example, providing optimal infrastructure and support for club activities. Nexen Tire also strives to facilitate stable employment for the disabled in an effort to provide an impartial, open-minded workplace and pursues human-oriented management through a continuous commitment to education and investment as a means to discover and foster future global leaders. Nexen Tire's thirst for embracing challenges and pursuing innovations over the past 70 years has helped make it become recognized as a new innovation model in the tire industry. Now, Nexen Tire is preparing for a bold new leap towards realizing a more creative tomorrow. Nexen promises a beautiful tomorrow. Nexen prepares for tomorrow. Nexen creates the value for tomorrow. And a global leading company that satisfies customers with optimal quality and propels ahead with forward thinking based on its continuous technical development and solid manufacturing competitiveness.